Hello everyone! I'm so happy to meet you again. Let's start learning a new sound. Our new sound today is J, J, J. Let's all look at this picture. What can you see here? Very good. I can hear someone is saying jelly, jelly. What else? Jacket, jacket. Yeah, there is a jet here under the table. Very good. Jam. Who likes the jam? Super, super. Jug, jug. Juice, juice. Amazing. Let's learn the action. Okay. We have to pretend as if you are a jelly and you are wobbling on a plate. Pretend as if you are a jelly and you are wobbling on a plate. Let's listen to the song together. Okay, let's listen to the song together. J.
Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? Ja, 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 ja.
J.
Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? Ja, 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 ja.
Let's learn together how can we write letter J.
The Singing Walrus.
Let's write the letter J.
Hey kids, now we're going to write the letter J, as in jaguar.
Jaguar.
You'll need a practice sheet and a pencil. Go to our website to download a free practice sheet. First, we'll write the capital J. That's the big J. Start at the top and go down to the bottom, then go around and up. Next, go back to the top and make a line across. Let's try it again. Down, around, and up. Across. Now you try. Now, check if you did it right. Great job! Now we're going to write the lowercase j. That's the small j. Start in the middle and go down below the bottom, then go around and up. Next, make a small dot above the middle. Let's try it again. Down, around, and up. Make a small dot above the middle. Now you try. Now, check if you did it right. Well done! Now you know how to write the letter J. Next time, we'll write the letter K. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also follow us on Facebook and Twitter. See you next time!
Okay, let's learn together some words for J sound. Jelly. Jelly. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Jacket. Jacket. juice, juice, jam, 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 jam. Do you know what's this? It's a jar. It's a jar. J A R J A R jar. Very good. Jet. Jet. J E T jet. J E T jet. What is this boy doing? Very good. J O G jog. J O G jog. What about this one? Yeah, very good. It's a jug. J A G jug. J A G jug. Can you tell me what is the girl doing? Very good, excellent. J A P jump. J A P jump. Great, my super kids. I'm so happy that I was with you today. I hope now you can write and know some words for sound J. Thank you. See you soon. Goodbye.